Good morning, hello, hi, how you doing? We've got an unboxing video! Yay! This time, it's Marvel Collector's Corps. So these guys basically just deal in Marvel. And this one is Secret Wars. Picture of the female Thor. It's harder to say than you'd think. And powered by Funko. So we can take a guess what might be inside. Let's get straight in. That's a hefty box. Some pictures, Thanos, some goats, Thor. Anyway, off straight away, we have Marvel Collector's Corps, Falcon. Let's try and get that into view. There we are. That's nice. That's like an iron-on patch, or sew-on patch. It's a patch. That's what it is. Eye patch, maybe. Pirates with that. Why not? We have... That's really quite heavy. An Iron Man badge. That's nice. Impressed already. Huh, nice. Secret Wars Marvel Collector's Corps, Issue 1. $4.99. That's rather nice. Oh, and a bonus digital edition inside. I might have a read of that. Probably won't sell it. The t-shirt. Already covered in cat hair. Awesome. Marvel Secret Wars. That's a really nice t-shirt. Falcon, Spider-Man, Thor, Iron Man with hypothermia, I think. Secret Wars, that's good. I like that. Very bobbleheady. If you don't like bobbleheady things, you're not gonna like this box. If you do, well, hey, you're really gonna like this box. Pop Marvel vinyl bobblehead, and it's Spider-Man. That's quite nice. Oh, he does like that. Oh, who else can you get? Thor. Ooh, very nice. And a vinyl bobblehead. Thor. I like that. Two of them. There's not a massive amount in the box, but Thor, Spider-Man vinyls, badge, patch, comic, t-shirt. That's pretty awesome. I'm well impressed with that. The links to Collector's Corps will be below, but yeah, that's definitely worth checking out. I like it. What do you think? Anyway guys, thank you for watching. That was a very quick unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe anyway. It's what, 5 minutes of your life? And I will catch you next time. Bye bye.